General steps for applying for a labor card. 1. Check eligibility criteria. Ensure you meet the basic requirements set by the government or the relevant labor authority. This could include proof of employment with a registered company or employer, specific age requirements or nationality criteria, valid passport or national ID, relevant qualifications or work experience, depending on the job. 2. Gather required documents. Typically, you will need employment contract, a formal agreement between you and your employer, identification proof, such as your national ID, passport, or birth certificate, passport-sized photos, usually required for the card application, visa or residency proof, if applicable, for foreign workers, medical certificate. Some countries require a health check before issuing a work permit. Labor fee payment, evidence of payment of any applicable fees if required. Other documents. Depending on the specific country or type of job, additional documents may be requested. 3. Complete the application form. Most countries will have an online or offline application form to fill out. You may need to provide personal details